So just an update, you guys. This is still the state of our street. So you can see our trash can to designate the curb, and there's still snow all the way along. And then our neighbors dug themselves out of their spot, but as you can see, there's still snowbanks on their side. Alright, Connell, what are we doing today?
We're sledding!
Woohoo! You excited to sled, Lukey? Ah, you know right where to go, huh? Yeah.
It's a sled, Luke. It's super fun.
Super duper fun, huh? All right.
Fix that.
Just carefully walk up there because you don't want to fall. That's what you're gonna do.
You know what? One of us should stay on top, one of us should be at the bottom.
I'll be at the bottom because I'm filming.
Okay.
Have fun. Hold on to him, Con. Don't let go. Was it fun? Did you like it, Lukey? Was it fun, Luke?
I have to be around Luke.
Baby's gonna need help getting up, though. He's saying help. Can I go with Luke?
Sure.
I did not like that.
Luke did.
I don't want to go again.
Brother's trying to go down already.
Get up.
Daddy, it's your turn.
No, that's all right. Go ahead. Down. Wait. I'll put Luke down with you, okay?
I know.
Okay. There. Remember, you gotta hold your brother on tighter. Ready? Go. You guys are bad at this.
Was it fun, Lukey? He smiled the whole way.
The thing is cracking.
I want to go again.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, Connell wants to go just him.
Okay.
We should let him since his sledding is breaking already. Baby, stay by mommy. Baby, stay by mommy for a minute. We're going to let brother go.
Higher. What are you doing?
That was fun.
Good. All right.
Go again together.
go sledding again? You want to go down? Need help?
It's okay, he's alright. He's trying to get down still. This is the part that's going to get old for me. Coming down and getting back up again. Well, we'll do it only a few times, you know what I mean?
Come on, Luke.
Whoa! I know, honey.
Don't use that as a walking stick. It's breaking. It's got a crack down the center too, Gwen.
Oh, goody. Well, I think...
How many more sleds this will be good for?
Yeah, two more. Two more times and then we're done.
Yep.
So this time and one more.
Good one.
Yeah, you guys went far. Okay, last time, guys.
That's probably because you had a hold of your brother really good there.
It's just the last time, Con, and then we got to do something else.
Coming, baby. Coming. You need help? Are you having fun? You want to go again? You want to go sledding again?
All right, last time, boys. All right, that's it. We're done. Oh my gosh, hold it up. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to get some real stuff. Good thing we're northerners, so. Huh?
I said I've never even owned a real good one.
I've only owned like a pink plastic sled that was terrible. It fit 2 people, but you know.
Huh?
Last time, Con, okay? I better back up, yeah. Okay, Connell, hold on to your brother real tight. Okay.
All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Oh my gosh! You weren't kidding when you said they were going to go flying. Yeah. Look. Bring it back to the nice man.
Tell him thank you, please.
That's what we need to get. Yeah.
Oh, the snow tube.
Snow tube.
All the way from here. Wow.
Makes sense, right?
Ooh. You gonna make a snow angel, Lukey? Show him how, Con.
Oh, look. You lay like that. Don't like this. Look, follow me. You lay down. Like this.
Lie down next to brother. Brother will show you. Lie down, Luke.
And then your legs and then your arms are like this.
Thanks again.
Yes, thank you so much.
I told him that one. I wish I had that one.
We'll look into getting you a snow tube at some point, okay, Connor?
Tag, you're it. That's how the game works.
Rest is yours.
Tag, you're it.
You aren't gonna get snow like this all the time.
Exactly.
Like this? No, but we do regularly get enough snow to sled with.
Exactly. You had a good idea, huh?
Yep, for once. It happens.
Hey, I was trying to get a picture. Jeez.
Jeez.
Get my hair down. One more, baby.